So the basic difference between a air conditioning system and a geothermal heat exchange system is that the air conditioning system exchanges heat with the air, and the geothermal system exchanges heat with the ground. And the exchange of heat with the ground is actually much more efficient because when when you exchange heat with the ground, the heat of the ground has a much higher heat capacity than the air. So air conditioning systems are extremely inefficient because the heat capacity of the fluid that you're exchanging heat with is tremendously low. So geolink heat exchange systems have a much higher efficiency, and actually you can use much lower grade refrigerant such as ammonia or other liquids that are less hazardous to the environment.